You are listening to Chapter 1, Lesson 9 of Form 4 Economics. Cameroon General Education. Narrated by Wacheseh Academy. Nationalization and privatization. Nationalization. This is the taking over of privately owned firms by the government. In some cases, the government buys several private firms and merge together to form one large public corporation. Examples: in Cameroon, the government takes over community schools and form government schools. Reasons for nationalization. The government owned enterprises for the following reasons. Capital. Nationalization enables the government to provide a heavy amount of capital for some companies, which can't be done by private individuals. Employment opportunities. It helps reduce the level of unemployment by recruiting a large number of laborers in nationalized companies. Control prices. Nationalized companies most often control the level of prices and influence how other firms are to fix their prices. 2e.g. Camtel charging lower prices make MTN and Orange reduce their prices too. Redistribution of income. They employ workers and pay higher wages to them from the surplus made besides selling goods at lower prices. Hence the poor have their income increased. Negative externalities. Nationalized companies control negative externalities like pollution, since their aim is not to make a profit, but for social and political objectives. Avoid wastage of resources. Competition from private firms leads to wastage of resources, for example, advertisement, duplication of resources. Hence the need to nationalize them. Reasons against nationalization. Disadvantages of public enterprises. Monopoly. Monopoly power may be exploited by charging higher prices or low-quality goods. Inefficiency and poor management. Because of the lack of personal interest, inefficiency, fraud, embezzlement is common in state-owned company, for example CA. Costly to the government. The deficits made by these firms will have to be financed by the Gov. Besides the loss from taxes not paid by nationalized firms. No innovation. Due to the absence of competition, these firms are reluctant to innovate or improve the quality of their goods. Limited choice. It leads to the production of one type of good, reducing consumers' choice and sovereignty. Political influence. Most public enterprises are run with political motives. Managers may be appointed in relation to their political aspirations, and not because of their management skills.